Hi boys and girls, we're going to do a little bit of science writing today. And what we're writing about is how the sun can make our day and our atmosphere, our environment change temperature as the day goes on. So one thing that we know as scientists is that when the sun comes up in the sky in the morning and it keeps moving up further and further over Earth, we're going to get brighter and brighter outside, but it's also going to get warmer because the sun makes the earth warm during the day. I want to show you a picture really quick. I'm going to show you a picture of this dog. Oh my goodness, look how hot that dog looks. Doesn't it look hot? That dog looks hot because it looks like he's outside during the day when it's nice and sunny. So I was thinking we could write a little bit about the dog. What I want to write today is that during the day, the earth gets hot. But wait a minute, there are a couple of words that we might need to know before we start writing. Here are some new snap words I want you to practice with me. This is the word day. Can you say day? Oh, let's read it together. Day. Let's read it in a whisper. Day. Let's read it like we're underwater. Day. Good job. Okay, now we're going to spell it together. D-A-Y. D-A-Y. D-A-Y spells day. Now we know the word day. I have another word for you that we need to write in our sentence. This is the word get. Can you say get? Let's read it together. Get. All right, let's whisper it together. Get. All right, let's say it like we're underwater. Get. Okay, let's spell out the word together. G-E-T spells get. G-E-T spells get. G-E-T spells get. Good job. Are you ready for the last word? So we have day, get, and I have one more snap word to teach you before we start writing. This is the word to. Can you say two? This is like the word two, not like the number two, but if you say me too or I like ice cream too, this is the two you're going to use. Let's read it together. Two. Let's whisper it. Two. Let's say it like we're underwater. Two. Good job. Okay, let's spell it together. T-O-O spells two. T-O-O spells two. T-O-O spells two. So now we know our words. Day, get, two. Okay, I'm going to come back for these in a little bit when we start writing. So remember, the first sentence that I wanted to write was I wanted to write that during the day, the earth gets hot. And we know that because we looked at the picture of that little doggy. During the day, the earth gets hot. How many lines do I need for that sentence? Oh, you're right. I need 7 lines. Let's write 7 lines together. Do you have your paper and a marker? Oh, good. Okay. During the day, the earth gets hot. Period. During the day, the earth gets hot. But we should say something about that little doggy too, right? Maybe we could say, the dog is hot too. The dog is hot too. How many lines do I need for that sentence? Yeah, we need 5. Let's write those 5 lines. The dog is hot too. Period. Okay, let's start our first sentence. Let's practice it one time. During the day, the earth gets hot. What was that first word? During. Good job. During. Let's sound it out together. D, d, during. I hear d. Ing. Just like when we read those endings, ing. We know that ing is I-N-G. Sometimes we see this when we're reading. During the. Easy. We know how to write the. During the day. Oh, we're so lucky. We just learned that word day today. During the day. What am I going to write next? During the day, the, easy, earth, earth, But guess what? It's not a U this time. Earth actually starts with an E-A. E-A. Earth. What's a U here? I hear R like rainbow. Do you know which two letters together make Yeah, it's TH. During the day, the earth gets. Oh, how lucky. We just learned that word get. G-E-T spells get. During the day, the earth gets. Oh, we need to add an S at the end. The earth gets hot. Hot. Let's sound out that word hot together. I hear ah, t, ah, t, ah, t, hot. During the day, the earth gets hot. Let's think about our doggy. What did we want to write? Yeah, the dog is hot too. The dog is hot too. What's my word here? You got it. But remember, we need a capital T. The dog. Let's sound it out together. Dog. 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 D. G. The dog is, good job, another easy snap word, is hot. Oh, we already wrote the word hot. See, Miss Stefina likes to cheat sometimes. If I already wrote it, I'm not going to do the work again. The dog is hot too. Good remembering. Remember, this is the word we learned for today, too. Let's write that on our page. Too. During the day, the earth gets hot. The dog is hot too. Good work, boys and girls. Wednesday, we're going to do even more writing. We're going to write more about these little puppies outside. Okay, talk to you soon.